All right, guys, this week on the Eastwood Update, we traveled.
Yeah, we're back here in R&D. This is where we develop some cool products. It's where we also test products and make sure they fit the Eastwood name.
Pretty cool back here.
Yeah, this is where the magic happens.
So, products, what do we got?
So speaking about products, we actually have our mill and lathe this week. Ryan's going to bring them in. Thank you, Ryan. So we have the mini mill and the mini lathe. These are going to be live on the website in the next week or so. These are going to be perfect if you're looking to just get started into machining. You're going to be able to turn small parts like bushings, adapters, sleeves with this lathe. And you're also going to be able to face small items with this mill. It's also going to be able to do drilling operations and a multitude of other things. We're going to do a bunch of videos on these in the next couple weeks, showing you how to set them up and how to make your first cut.
Hopefully.
What do you mean, hopefully?
I mean, hopefully we make the videos.
Yeah, hopefully you do.
We're going to make the videos.
Speaking of videos.
So, Joe got a really cool video posted of the fuel cell fabrication we did with our buddy down the street at PSR Performance. It looks great. The video is awesome. You're going to learn a lot, how to use a box and pan brake and all other cool tools.
Brad did a good job putting that together.
Yeah, it turned out awesome. Speaking of Brad, we actually brought him up to Eastwood, and he did a video where he walks around the go-kart Joe and I built and grades it. And you're going to have to watch it to see what score he gave us, but I will give it away a little bit. We did pretty good. We did pretty good.
You sure?
He told us we did pretty good.
I saw the go-kart.
You
I helped with the go-kart.
Yeah.
Can't be that good.
It's your grade too, buddy.
So what's new with the retail stores, and what do we got going on the web this weekend?
So as always, there's a bunch of sales going on the web right now. Just go check it out. Make sure you subscribe to our email list. That's the best way to stay informed with the best deals. And on the retail side of things, this weekend, they're having a pinstriping event. So there's going to be a bunch of great sale on pinstriping brushes and paints and all the good stuff you need to get that done. I think they even have some demos going on.
What?
I think a little birdie told me that one. And if you're local to the Pottstown retail store, we're going to be in Hamburg this weekend for a swap meet.
Yep, yeah, well, they'll be there on Sunday. It's supposed to be a really nice event.
I think you know more than I do about that.
Somebody pays attention. I think it's company happy hour in about 20 minutes.
Happy hour, yay!
All right, you guys have a great week, and stay tuned for the next Eastwood Update.